Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can allow people to download your TikTok videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy, and then go to Privacy near the top. And if you scroll down, you should come to Downloads. So you just want to click on that, and this will just let you know, allow other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. If this setting is off, a link to your video can still be shared. So if you're happy with all that, just simply toggle that on, and that will allow people to download your TikTok videos. Thanks for watching.